20 baby food products. Business ideas. Do you love cooking for babies? Want to start a small food business from your kitchen? Let's explore 20 baby food products business ideas with short, real-life stories. And number 18 of the business ideas is very important, and please subscribe to this channel and leave comment. 1. Fresh Fruit Purees Anita made mango puree for her baby. It tasted so fresh. She started selling small bowls at her local farmer's market. 2. Vegetable Puree Mixes Ravi made carrot and spinach puree for his twins. His friends tried it too. Now he delivers Veggie Baby mix every week. 3. Organic baby porridge Fatima mixed brown rice and lentils into soft porridge. Other moms asked for it. She now sells packs online. 4. Dry baby cereal mix James created a dry mix of oats and millet. Just add warm water. It's now sold in eco packs at baby stores. 5. Frozen baby meals Maya cooked meals and froze them in cubes. She gave some to her neighbor. Now she sells weekly frozen baby packs. 6. Baby smoothies Tina blended banana, yogurt, and oats for a baby smoothie. She opened a small smoothie for tots stand. 7. Teething biscuits. Lucy made soft teething biscuits using rice flour. They became popular in her church group. Now she has an online store. 8. Ready to eat snack packs. Ali made mini packs with fruit chips and oat bars. Busy moms loved it for travel. He sells them at daycare centers. 9. Baby meal subscription box Pooja started a baby meal box service. Every Monday, she sends 5 fresh meals to new moms. 10. Instant baby food jars. Rena made instant food jars with banana powder. Just mix with milk. Her shop now sells out every weekend. 11. Baby finger foods Jason made tiny veggie balls for his crawling baby. Friends ordered them for playdates. Now he runs a small kitchen. 12. Allergen-free baby treats. Priya's baby had allergies, so she made nut-free, gluten-free snacks. She now helps other moms with similar needs. 13. Fruit and veggie pouch packs. Linda made squeezable pouches with mixed fruits and veggies. Babies loved it. She now supplies to local stores. 14. Baby soup packs Rose made lentil and pumpkin soups for babies. Parents loved the warmth and softness. She sells weekly soup packs. 15. Travel-friendly baby meals Vikram packs small sealed containers of ready baby food for travel. Moms order for vacations and outings. 16. Baby food tasting event. Emily hosted a tasting day at her home. Moms tried different purees. Now she runs a monthly event with a baby food club. 17. Personalized meal plans for babies. Samira made meal charts for her baby. Her doctor loved it. She started making custom plans for others too. 18. Millet-based baby snacks. Daniel made millet crackers for his baby's first snack. Friends started asking. Now he runs a millet snack brand. 19. Baby food YouTube channel. Megan filmed her recipes for baby, rice, soups, and snacks. Now her YouTube channel helps parents around the world. 20. Baby food gift boxes. Rachel made gift baskets with baby porridge, puree jars, and teething snacks for baby showers. Her idea became a hit. These 20 baby food business ideas are simple but full of love. Start with one small step and grow your dream. Which idea will you try first? Like, share, and subscribe for more baby business stories in simple English.